Hey guys, so today I am talking about the nail polishes and the nail polish collections that I really liked during my over a year-long hiatus. I didn't think that I actually had enough polishes to make a video like this, and then I started going through things and I was like, yeah, I totally have enough polishes to do something like this. So, if you guys didn't know, I was gone for like 14 months. I stopped making videos for like 14 months. I had a baby and I cooked her and then I spent some time with her and it was really nice. I did keep up with mainstream releases. I admittedly did not follow the indies very well. I do have some indies in here, but they're just all one collection from one brand. And I do want to follow those a little bit better this coming year, but most of these are mainstream polishes because that was easier for me to keep my eyes on. I didn't spend a ton of time on social media, so I didn't see a lot of indies. But being on and off of like nail polish websites and places that sell polishes, it was easier to see the mainstream collections that were coming out. Also, totally off-topic housekeeping thing, if you guys have any suggestions of what can go here, please tell me, because I don't really want to do the nail polish rack thing anymore. And I don't know, I thought about a neon sign, like a JESSFACE90 neon sign, but I don't think I can get one as small as I need. I've done a ton of looking around and it seems like those have to be very large and too big for what I want. It'd be cool to have it on the wall back here, but you'd never see it the way that I framed the video. So if you guys have any ideas over here, what could be on this desk, let me know. Okay. Starting out, in no particular order, the first polish is an Essie polish, and this is Doubles Trouble. So Essie came out with a CVS exclusive tennis themed neon collection this year. Essie did a lot of exclusive collections this year, and I feel like they were usually with CVS or Target. I think there was a trio that was exclusive to Ulta, but this was a CVS exclusive. Now, I live closer to Grand Rapids now, so I thought I would be a piece of cake to find this collection in a CVS store, because where I lived before, it was kind of like a little smaller town, and there was one CVS, which is fortunate because I've definitely lived in smaller towns, but they never got anything. And so I was expecting to be able to find these really easily, and I was like all cocky about it, and I got the baby in the baby carrier, and we're hopping from CVS to CVS, and all summer. No, not all summer, but I spent like a couple weeks over the summer whenever I was out, like stopping in, and I checked a bunch of different CVS's and no one ever had them. But I really, really wanted this color, and I ended up getting it on eBay because I had given up being able to find this collection and then saw them come up on eBay. A little tip, I actually went onto eBay and I signed up for alerts. So if anybody listed anything with Essie Doubles Trouble in it, I would get an email, and that's how I found them when they went on eBay towards the end of the summer. So I ended up getting this. It's this matte finish. It's a weird green because it doesn't seem like a pastel neon to me. It definitely leans in that direction, but it's just like not quite that bright. I don't know, it's cool. I really liked this one. The whole collection was pretty good. I was a little disappointed in the yellow. I would like to have seen a brighter yellow in that collection, but this is the one that I really liked. That is Doubles Trouble. Moving on, Zoya, the Zoya Sunset Palette. It is a 5-piece collection that came out, when did that come out? I don't know. August maybe? No, it was later than August. October? I'm gonna say maybe October. It was around fall, and oh my gosh, it was so cool. I was so excited about that. And the promo pictures for that collection, they had like the caps on the bottles were the same color as the polish, and it just, for some reason, those promo pictures just did it for me. Like, they looked so good. And there were 2 polishes in that collection that I really, really liked. So Cory is this nice rusty burnt orange, but I feel like it leans a little bit more red than a normal burnt orange would. Really liked this one. And then the mustard shade in that collection, which is Zoya Honey. Also really, really great. You guys know I love these. I like all those warm tone shades. Anyway, the very like 1970s furniture colored shades, the olive greens, the like rusty burnt oranges, the mustards. I really like those kind of colors. So really liked this one as well. So moving on to Orly. I don't talk about Orly enough. I don't think that they get enough attention or love on my channel. I just kind of always skipped over them because I was so busy with Essie coming out with like 1,000 collections a year and then all the other mainstream collections. But I feel like Orly had a fantastic 2021. Like, They had so many good collections last year, and all the colors were just great. So I have 2 from the Day Trippin' collection, which was their spring collection, which was a really unusual palette for spring, and I loved it. Again, I said that like those colors that were really popular in the 70s. That's kind of what the whole Day Trippin' collection looked like to me, which I think was the point, because if I remember correctly, the font that they used on the packaging was very like retro looking. So that's probably the idea. But another mustard, this is Here Comes the Sun. If I put this next to the Zoya, yeah, they're pretty close. If I put this next to the Zoya, they are pretty close. I would say in the viewfinder or on my computer, laptop screen, whatever, it almost looks like Here Comes the Sun is a little bit lighter, but in person, they look identical. So clearly I have a problem with mustard shades. The other polish that I really liked out of that collection is Happy Camper, which was this turquoisey minty color. I really liked how this looked along with everything else. It seems kind of off when I just put these 2 together, but with the whole collection together, they looked really good. Orly's fall collection, which was called Wild Natured, is another one that just hit me right in the feels. I really, really like these colors together as well. Not as much as Day Trippin', but pretty close. So I've got this nice dark olive green called Wild Willow. Actually, what is this? This was Willow. Willow in the Wind. I've been filming a lot today. But yeah, they're both green. This is Willow too. That's from the Essie Swoon in the Lagoon collection. So really liked this one. Really great. I mean, this looked like more of a traditional fall collection, where the Day Trippin' collection was like really unusual for spring, but I still liked it. And then Lion's Ear, which is, I don't usually lean towards oranges, but this was a nice medium between a like rusty burnt orange and a brighter, more true orange. It's a really cool, like right in between shade. So really liked that one as well. China Glaze got me with their summer collection this year. Their holiday collection was pretty good, but I wasn't super impressed with anything else. I will say I do regret not checking out more of the Halloween shades that they did this year. It was extra stellar, but like, I'll survive. They had some pretty good neons in their summer collection. Guava Mama was this nice hot neon pink. Nothing special here, but these were pretty bright without needing a base, which I appreciate. And this really nice bright neon yellow, which again, pretty bright without actually needing a white base. Tropic, I can't say it. Tropic Like It's Hot was a really nice color from this year as well. Last thing that I have are indies. You're gonna see there's not a lot of variety here. I'm basically just like showing you mustardy fall shades and neons, because that's where my head was this year. I have this entire collection from Rogue Lacquer. So, like I said, don't follow a ton of indies. Wasn't getting on Instagram super often. But I did pop on Instagram one day and see these right in front of my face and about lost my mind. So these are neon creams with these little teeny tiny itty bitty black flakies in there, and I love these. And you know, I did the smoothie bar collection with 90, which were neon creams with like larger black shredded glitter in there, and oh Lord have mercy, I wish that these little black flakies would have been something that I had come across when I was doing the smoothie bar collection, because the smoothie bar collection would have looked like this. This is so cool. So I'm going to look on the Rogue Lacquer website. I'm not sure if you can actually still get these anymore, but Rogue Lacquer is doing a bunch of stuff with little tiny flakies and little tiny shredded glitters, and I absolutely love it. I think that they are probably one of my favorite indie brands right now. Okay, so their website is on a hiatus, like a take a break for the new year hiatus, so I don't know if these are still going to be on there. I'll link the website down below anyway, so maybe it'll be back when I post this video, maybe not, but hopefully you guys can check it out. But there are 5 glorious neon creams with little teeny tiny black flakies in it, and oh my gosh, I love them. So this green one is Dancing Free, this hot pink is As If, the yellow is Neon Lights, this kind of like peachy orangey one is Hot Girl Summer, and the blue is Physical. So really love these. These ones are always going to be my favorite, because anytime you got neon, I'm always going to go towards the green, yellow, and the pink, but the whole collection was just fantastic. And she did some really nice flakies for Halloween, and she did some really nice flakies for holiday. And I picked up some of the Halloween ones, but I totally missed out on the holiday ones, and really kicking myself for that, because I am loving what she's doing with all the flakies and glitters, little shredded glitters and metallic things, and God, Rogue Lacquer is just blowing my mind right now. So anyway, those are all of the polishes that I loved in 2021. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.